here guys. The roller skate park.
Whoa, this is such a great skate park.
I bet you're going to do amazing with those roller skate moves, Unikitty. Let's get you prepared for it.
So, how amazing will I do with these moves?
I bet based on our brains, I think you will do 100% amazing.
I hope we did not miss out on anything at this time.
Voila, Chucks. You guys made it to the skate park.
That is right. There is no way we are missing out on those roller skate moves.
Well, you guys made it just in time. Since you guys have arrived, I will now get going and begin my moves.
Good luck, sis. We are all counting on you.
Wow, 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 wow. She did well on that first move.
Gasp. She roller skated while lying down. Incredible.
She has an upside down trick in roller skating. That is a unique move.
Oh my god. She is doing it sideways. This is a great move from my big sister.
Okay. This is the last move I'm going to do.
Gasp. I am recording this. This is going to be interesting.
I am recording this move as well. I think she is about to do it.
And that is all of my roller skate moves.
Oh, my goodness. That was the greatest moves you have ever done.
You indeed are amazing at roller skating based on amazing tricks you did.
You were, indeed, 100% amazing on roller skating.
We are very proud, sis. You are the greatest roller skater ever.
Thanks for that, you guys. It all takes some practice and encouragement to do those moves.